This demonstration will illustrate the interoperability that is now possible between the Yukon automatic meter reading system provided by Canon Technologies and NISC's iView outage management system using Multispeak version 3 web services. NISC's OMS can request Canon's Yukon to provide the outage status of one or more meters. Thus, the user can determine the current outage status of a Canon AMR meter without sending a line crew to the site. When an outage call is entered into the NISC OMS, a process within the OMS will send requests for current outage status of affected meters to Yukon. Here the meter reported is on a transformer with 2 meters down line. Both meters are sent to Yukon to verify connectivity. NISC's OMS sends a request for Yukon to perform a real-time ping of the meter to verify communication to the meter. Yukon responds that both meters have a confirmed outage. NISC's OMS can then update the status of the outage if necessary to agree with the status provided by Yukon. Now let us turn to the Yukon system to see what was happening there at the time that the NISC OMS issued the pings for the meters. Since Yukon is acting as the server in this interface, the activity between the systems is logged as the messages are processed. The meter pings are sent out through Yukon's port control server and are then returned to the Yukon web services to be routed back to the NISC OMS with the outage status for each meter. As you can see, this entire process takes only a few seconds. Here we see in blue 2 ping requests coming from the NISC OMS and also 2 outgoing notifications in yellow from Yukon to the NISC OMS. For reference, here is the same activity being completed using the Yukon web command interface. The meter is selected, then a ping command is executed to verify communication to the meter. Again, the results are the same. The meter has an outage status. The user can also confirm the restoration of power to meters. When an outage is restored in NISC's OMS, the process is initiated to send requests for current outage status of affected meters to Yukon. The Yukon server then performs a ping to the meters, determines the communication status of the ping, and then sends an outage detection event notification containing the current communication status of each meter to NISC's OMS. If affected meters are still out, then NISC's OMS will initiate a new outage based on the standard prediction routine. Once again, we'll see what happened on the Yukon system when this was done in the NISC OMS. Again, the meter pings are sent out through Yukon's port control server and are routed back to the NISC OMS with the outage status for each meter. Within a few seconds, NISC's OMS has requested and received the outage status of the 2 meters by interfacing to Yukon using Multispeak web services.